Hi, and welcome back to a new progress update video for Stellar Stars. My name is David. Okay, and today we'll be showing a new version of Stellar Stars, which is version 0.075 alpha. So in this new version, there will be some rather important gameplay changes that will make the game more exciting and more action-packed. So let's get right to it. Okay, so one of the big gameplay changes is that the wave attack is now considered as the basic attack. So that means that it no longer uses mana, so you can spam the basic attack as often as you want. So that means enemies might seem easier to attack since you can now spam your basic attack. But enemies are also now much more intelligent and aggressive, and they will retaliate or attack you immediately if you attack them. So for the basic attack, you do not need to use mana anymore. But what about more powerful attacks such as Fireball? So the more powerful attacks such as Fireball, Impulse and Heavy Wave are now considered as spells. So that means that they will still use mana, but you can use them along with your basic attack as well. So that means you can use your C key or your B button if you have a Xbox One controller to use the Fireball spell, but of course it will use mana. So if you run out of mana, you will not be able to use it until your mana has regenerated, or if you collect a mana orb. And of course, if you run out of mana, you can revert back to using the primary attack and just spam away. So this means that now Stellar Stars will be much more action-packed. So you do not have to wait for your mana to regenerate for your basic attack anymore. So this is a rather big change, as you will be using your basic attack for most of the time when you are out of mana. And in addition to enemies being more aggressive and intelligent, so this is a good example. So notice that right now I am below the green virus. So what happens if I jump up? Notice that now it runs faster just for a split moment. That is because it has detected that you are within its line of vision. So it's trying to charge towards you. But of course it will not go out of the platform. Now let's move on to our next new addition to Stellar Stars version 0.075 alpha. So as you can see here, right now we have an enemy that seems to be floating. So this is the new electric bomber. That will be one of the new enemies that you will come across in the meta world. So as you might have observed by now, the electric bomber comes with a timer that counts down from 5 to 0, and when the timer reaches 0, it will release electric charges that if you touch any of those charges, you will get stunned. Okay, that means you will not be able to move, jump, or do anything of that sort. So always try to defeat the electric bomber before the timer reaches 0. So it will be interesting to see the interesting situations that will arise when the electric bomber is paired up with other enemies, okay, around the same area. Okay, so those are some of the rather important changes and new additions for Stellar Stars in this new version 0.075 alpha. So for the next update and the next progress update video, here we will be showing some new visual changes, and we might be adding some new storyline changes to Stellar Stars. So look forward to that and have a great day ahead. Cheers.